Hello, I am Alexandra from Realizing Mommyhood. Hi, this is my baby. She's almost a year old. And today we will be showing you a new finish with the XOXO Buckle Wrap. If you don't know how to get to this place with the buckle wrap, you need to watch my other video. When you're done there, come back. Today we will be using 2 medium sling rings. This will look kind of like a double hammock with 2 rings, kind of. So first we will cross them. We don't want to cross them high. You want the cross to be lower. This, I'm going to bite it. Okay, now you need the rings. So you can have the rings close or further, whatever you prefer. I am also using a Technique conversion XOXO called Homada Grow. If you have any questions, let me know. Yeah, and watch all the other XOXO videos and subscribe so you don't miss any more. You say bye? Nope. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.